go. There you go.
He will.
You're alright. You're alright.
He's in the same groove you were. There you go, because that'll bounce him right over.
Straighten up. There you go. Driver. There you go. Not too much. Back just a little. There you go. There you go. Keep coming. Stay fast. Stay fast. Well.
That's all right. Same thing he did.
Straighten up. Keep coming.
Because now that puts him in line for this other side.
Faster just a little bit. There you go.
Yeah, just as long as you keep him right off that side of that point, he should be good. Yeah, get him over that side a little bit, Aaron.
This side?
Yeah.
Hey, Pat. Driver right there. Take driver. There you go.
Nice. Okay, bring him over this way.
Driver. Straighten up.
There you go. Yeah. And just keep that right there. Keep that line. There you go. Just bring him straight down that line. That's the only option he has, yeah. Just nice and easy. He'll be fine.
Oh, yeah, you made it easy.
Perfect.
Now you're